Top 5 smart meat thermometers that will change your grilling game. Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart Choice. Today we're counting down the top 5 smart meat thermometers that take all the guesswork out of cooking. If you've ever stressed about whether your steak is perfectly done or that turkey is ready, stick around because these gadgets are game changers. Number 5. TempSpike Plus. Starting at number 5, the TempSpike Plus offers an impressive 600-foot Bluetooth range, perfect for backyard grilling while you're entertaining guests. The color-coded probes make it super easy to track multiple dishes at once, and the LCD booster display means you can check temperatures without constantly opening your phone. It's waterproof, handles up to 1050 degrees Fahrenheit, and here's the best part. It comes already paired right out of the box. No complicated setup, just plug and play. For anyone looking to get into smart cooking without breaking the bank, this is a solid starting point. Link is in the description below. Number 4. ThermoMaven Smart Bluetooth Wireless Meat Thermometer. At number 4, the ThermoMaven P2 stands out with its standalone display base that shows real-time readings without needing your phone. The unlimited Wi-Fi range means you can monitor your cook from literally anywhere, whether you're at the store or relaxing inside. With NIST-certified accuracy within half a degree Fahrenheit and 6 sensors in each probe, you're getting professional-level precision. The two ultra-thin probes won't damage your meat, and they're dishwasher-safe for easy cleanup. Plus, the base charges in 2 hours for over 24 hours of use, while probes need just 2 minutes of charging for 2 hours of cooking. Check the link below for current pricing. Number 3. Chef IQ Sense. Moving to number 3, the Chef IQ Sense 2025 model brings serious smart features to your cooking. Beyond temperature readings, it provides flip reminders, rest timers, and cooking time estimates to help you plan perfectly. The 5-sensor system with 4 internal sensors and 1 ambient sensor ensures your proteins come out perfect inside and out. Wi-Fi gives you unlimited range, and the battery lasts up to 70 hours on a full charge. What really sets this apart is the comprehensive app with hundreds of presets, USDA-approved doneness levels, and video-guided recipes from culinary experts. You get 2 probes that can handle 1000 degrees Fahrenheit. This is ideal for cooks who want extra guidance and smart features. Find the link in the description. Number 2. Meter Pro Duo. At number 2, the Meter Pro Duo delivers premium dual monitoring, letting you track 2 different cuts simultaneously. This is perfect when everyone wants their steak cooked differently. The built-in Wi-Fi extends your range significantly, and the advanced estimator algorithm predicts how long your food needs to cook and rest, which is incredibly helpful for timing everything perfectly. The probes are waterproof and dishwasher safe, can handle 1000 degrees, and deliver accuracy within half a degree. The Meter app's guided cook system provides step-by-step instructions and real-time alerts, essentially coaching you through the entire process. This is premium tech for serious home cooks. Check the link below. Number 1. Typhur Sync Gold. Taking the top spot is the Typhur Sync Gold, and here's why it wins. It's the world's first wireless thermometer using sub-1 GHz technology, delivering a signal 10 times stronger than traditional Bluetooth. This connection punches through thick smokers, Kamado grills, and walls like they're not even there. Each probe has 6 sensors working with Typhur's smart algorithm to deliver precise readings and forecast exactly when your dish reaches perfection. The accuracy is professional grade at half a degree Fahrenheit with a half-second response time, and every probe is triple calibrated during production. The standalone base lets you control everything without your phone, though there's also an app for remote monitoring. These probes withstand up to 932 degrees and are IPX8 waterproof for dishwasher cleaning. The elegant design and professional functionality make this the ultimate choice for serious barbecue enthusiasts and home chefs. Link is waiting in the description. So there you have it, the top 5 smart meat thermometers for every budget and skill level. All links are in the description below. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Smart Choice for more reviews. Drop a comment and let me know which one you're getting. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!